There are moments in life when the silence around you feels louder than any noise you have ever heard. You sit in a crowded room, surrounded by people talking, laughing, and sharing their thoughts. Yet deep inside, you feel completely alone. It is one of the hardest emotions to explain because loneliness is not always about physically being alone. Sometimes it comes from feeling unseen, unheard, and emotionally disconnected from everyone around you. You try to express your feelings, but the words never seem strong enough. You hope someone will notice the pain hidden behind your smile. Yet the world keeps moving as if nothing inside you is breaking. In those moments, your heart begins to question its own worth. You wonder if anyone truly understands the battles you fight silently every single day. But listen carefully to this truth because it may change the way you see yourself forever. Just because people do not fully understand your journey does not mean your journey has no meaning. Some of the strongest souls walk through seasons of isolation because life is preparing them for something greater than they can currently see. Inspired by the timeless teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you must remember that the mind becomes what it repeatedly believes. If you constantly tell yourself that you are forgotten, unwanted, or invisible, your spirit slowly begins to accept those lies as truth. But the moment you decide to speak hope into your life, even while the pain still exists, something powerful begins to change within you. Your mind starts rebuilding strength. Your heart slowly begins healing, and your spirit remembers that it was never created to remain broken forever. Every difficult moment you have survived proves there is already strength living inside you. The tears you cried in private did not make you weak. The nights you spent fighting emotional exhaustion did not destroy you. In fact, those moments revealed how resilient you truly are. Sometimes life separates you from others so you can finally reconnect with yourself. Sometimes the loneliness you fear is actually teaching you how to discover your own inner voice without depending on constant approval from the outside world. This is why you cannot allow temporary emotions to define your permanent identity. You are more than the rejection you experienced. You are more than the people who misunderstood your intentions. You are more than the disappointment, abandonment, or emotional pain you have carried for so long. There is still purpose inside you, even if you cannot fully see it right now. There is still light within your spirit, even if this season feels dark and heavy. The fact that you are still standing after everything you have endured is proof that your story is not over. One day, the same pain that almost broke you will become the reason someone else finds hope through your survival. There comes a point in your life when you become tired of pretending that everything is okay. You grow exhausted from carrying emotional weight that nobody else can see. You smile during conversations, respond politely, and continue handling your responsibilities. Yet deep inside, there's a quiet storm that never seems to rest. Many people around you may only recognize the version of you that appears calm on the surface, but they do not understand the mental battles, the disappointments, and the emotional scars you have been carrying for years. This is why you must stop expecting everyone to fully understand your pain, because some experiences are too personal to be explained with words alone. Inspired by the powerful teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you must begin protecting your inner peace instead of constantly searching for validation from people who cannot see the depth of your heart. The human mind is incredibly powerful, and whatever you repeatedly plant into your subconscious eventually shapes the direction of your life. If you constantly focus on rejection, betrayal, and loneliness, your mind slowly becomes trapped inside those emotions. But when you begin feeding your spirit with hope, belief, and positive expectation, your inner world starts transforming in ways you never imagined possible. Healing does not happen overnight, and strength is not built in comfort. Real strength is created during the moments when you feel emotionally drained but still choose to keep moving forward. That is the kind of strength growing inside you right now, even if you cannot fully recognize it yet. Every painful chapter you survived has given you wisdom that cannot be taught in easy seasons of life. The loneliness you experienced forced you to become stronger emotionally. The heartbreak taught you how valuable your heart truly is. The rejection showed you that not every closed door is a punishment. Sometimes it is protection leading you toward a better future. You may not realize it today, but many of the things that hurt you are also shaping you into a wiser and more resilient person. Life has a strange way of building people in silence before revealing their true purpose. This is why you cannot give up on yourself during difficult moments. The pain you feel today is not the final chapter of your story. There is still growth happening within you, even in the middle of confusion and emotional exhaustion. Sometimes the greatest transformations happen quietly, deep within the soul, long before the outside world notices any change. You are learning how to survive emotionally without depending on constant approval from others. You are learning how to trust your own voice again. You are learning that your worth does not decrease simply because someone failed to recognize your value. And most importantly, you are discovering that even in isolation, your life still carries meaning and purpose. One day you will look back on these lonely seasons and realize they were not sent to destroy you. They were preparing you to become emotionally stronger, spiritually wiser, and mentally unstoppable in ways you never thought possible. There are days when your heart feels tired from carrying emotions that nobody else notices. You wake up trying to convince yourself to stay positive, but deep inside, there is a heaviness that follows you everywhere. You may have spent years giving your energy, your kindness, and your loyalty to people who never truly appreciated your presence. You listened to others when they needed comfort, supported them during difficult moments, and stood beside them when they felt broken. Yet when your own soul needed understanding, the silence around you became painfully clear. This kind of emotional loneliness can slowly convince a person that they are unimportant, forgotten, or disconnected from the world. But you must never allow temporary feelings to rewrite the truth about who you are. Inspired by the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you must understand that your subconscious mind responds to the thoughts you repeat most often. When you continuously focus on emotional pain, disappointment, and rejection, your mind begins building a reality around those emotions. But when you intentionally choose thoughts of hope, strength, healing, and possibility, your inner world gradually begins changing in powerful ways. This does not mean you ignore your pain or pretend your struggles are not real. It means you refuse to let suffering become your identity. You are not defined by the people who misunderstood you. You're not defined by the relationships that failed, the opportunities that disappeared, or the moments when life did not go according to your plans. Your story is still unfolding, and some of the most meaningful chapters are still waiting to be written. Many people give up on themselves too early because they believe their current season will last forever. But life is always changing, even when you cannot immediately see the progress happening beneath the surface. Sometimes growth occurs quietly inside your spirit long before it becomes visible in your circumstances. The difficult nights you survived were not meaningless. The tears you cried in silence were not wasted. Every painful experience has been shaping your perspective, strengthening your character, and preparing you emotionally for the person you are becoming. There's wisdom being built inside you through every challenge you face. One day you will realize that the loneliness you feared actually taught you how to stand confidently on your own. It taught you how to discover your value without depending on constant reassurance from others. It taught you how to trust your inner voice even when nobody around you understood your vision or your pain. This is why you cannot quit during moments of emotional exhaustion. Your breakthrough may be closer than you realize. There is still purpose attached to your life. Even if confusion surrounds you today, there is still beauty ahead of you, even if your current season feels dark and uncertain. You were created with strength that runs deeper than temporary emotions. And no matter how isolated you may feel right now, you must remember this truth with all your heart. The same mind that has been filled with fear and sadness can also be filled with peace, confidence, hope, and renewed belief in yourself once again.